design phase. Okay. We have talked about principles of that design. What are they? Can you tell me a few? Can you tell me any? I'll give you one. What is the other one? So there is many principles that we should consider, which is principle, user experience, which could be assigned like this, UX. We also think about consistency of the design. We also think about minimizing user effort. So we think about the 3-click rule. Okay, and we think about content, how the content is presented, content awareness, and we think last but not least is aesthetics, which is about functionality of these designs. Okay, so these are the few principles that we should think about while designing things. For example, your layout, your content awareness, aesthetics, user experience, consistency, and minimizing effort. We also think about what we call how we break things down. So first we start with we think about the user scenario development. Okay, so we think about the user scenario development, interface structures design. We think about the standards of some designs. We create a prototype, then we evaluate how the design looks like. Sometimes in the prototype area we create a mock-up. Okay, in the structural design we map things. We map how the web pages or the application windows are moving from one window to another. In the standard part, we think about if there's standards for some functionality. For example, shopping cart, administration dashboard, and maybe a Gantt chart and stuff like that. Scenario development, you think about the use cases and the DFT, and you create your storyboards. So this is structure breakdown, structure user interface, structure design. This is storyboarding. This is some prototype that you could create. Okay. And we have We have many type of menus, for example, menu bar, drop menu, hyperlink, and so on. There's type of messages that we categorize as error message, confirmation message, acknowledgement, deploy, delay message, and help message. And you must think about consistency and clearance of these parts. There are also different checkbox. So here you have text box, radio button, on-screen list box, scroll, you have drop-down list, and so on. When you want to validate of how good your design is, you must check these types. So completeness check, so you see if everything is completed. Format check, how the formatting is. For example, your dates, your times, how are they formatted. Range check, sometimes you have a range of maybe age or something. Checking the digits, so how many digits. For example, a mobile phone could be 11 digits, 10 digits, different country have number of digits. Consistency check and the database check. Any questions? Any questions? So this week is a simple idea of how we think about user interface, and we should think about it early in the design stage, so to make sure everything is clear and consistent. I hope it helped you understand why we design things and why we analyze things. I think that's it for today. Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.